This is you! Literally every day flushing money down the toilet. If you're a business owner, you're trying to make money online, most likely you're making this one huge mistake and it's costing you a whole lot of dough. So what is this huge mistake that you can stop making and at the same time help your business grow faster, become more profitable, and generate way more revenue literally right now? What is this crazy mistake that is destroying your business? It's not having a high quality, great autoresponder, funnel builder, or an all-in-one CRM. Now you're probably thinking, well, I already have a page builder, I already have ClickFunnels, I already have some other autoresponder, you name it, but you're not realizing the impact of what you're missing out on in profits because you don't have what I'm going to go through in your CRM or in your page builder or in the autoresponder you're using right now. Now, real quickly, you are going to want to stay until the end because I'm going to have something really special to share with you. And as well, you need to make sure that as you follow this video, listen closely because what I'm telling you is statistical facts I've looked up and researched to discover how most businesses, most entrepreneurs, most affiliate marketers are destroying their businesses and they don't even realize it because they're using really crappy CRMs, autoresponders, page builders, you name it. So here's exactly what I'm going to go through step by step. Number one, I'm going to go through the features and tools that you're missing in what you're using right now that is costing you literally 5 to 10 to 20 to 50 times more profit in your business. And I'm also going to review and go through ActiveCampaign because it has everything you need in a CRM to build, scale, optimize your business, and increase profits across every metric you care about. So without further ado, let's actually begin. If you think for a second and ask yourself, does my autoresponder or CRM have list segmentation? Which, by the way, list segmentation is the process of identifying which leads are taking which actions and emailing them or following up with them based upon those actions. So if you can tell someone's not engaged, you can send them different emails to get them engaged again. You can also take a look at the people on your list who are buying and send them more promotions because you see they're engaged and are purchasing. And if you do not have list segmentation or you're not using it with your current autoresponder or CRM, you're losing out on 760% of potential revenue. I'm looking at an article right now which I'll show you. It says segmented campaigns can lead to a 760% increase, 7 times more money. And that is what you are losing if you are not using list segmentation. Just that single feature by itself, just that. That's not even including live chat, having a page builder included, which saves you a ton of money. That's not including any other function, resource, tool that you have in a really good CRM that can literally explode your business's profits because you're able to do so much more and interact with your leads and customers so much more. Now let's go through what else your business is most likely missing that is keeping you from being a lot more profitable, increasing your lead retention, increasing customer retention, and doing a whole ton more because you have so much more money being produced that you can spend on advertising, outsourcing, hiring a better team, and a ton more down the line in your business. So with ActiveCampaign, you're getting a full service CRM. You need a page builder. You need live support, live chat features. You need to have an autoresponder. And maybe you even want advanced features like list segmentation or lead scoring, you name it. ActiveCampaign has the tools and resources you need. And each of these tools, like live support, for example, increases lead retention, customer retention, decreases chargebacks, decreases refunds, and all these different things because of the function and use of these different tools and resources within a good quality CRM like ActiveCampaign. Now, ActiveCampaign arguably could be said that it's more expensive than alternatives. Let's just say that's the case. Let's go along with that line of narrative. Really good CRMs, autoresponders that are really high quality do technically cost more. But think about this for a single second. What would you rather do? A, use a CRM or autoresponder that produces for you mediocre, regular results. B, use a CRM or autoresponder that increases your revenue by 5 to 7 times. If you increase your revenue by 5 to 7 times, does it matter if it costs you an extra $20, $30, $40, $50, $100, $200, $300, $500 more a month? No, it doesn't matter at all because you are so much more profitable. And this is the biggest misconception people make when they're thinking about which CRM they want to use, because they want to save money, of course, and create the most profit. If you don't invest in a good CRM, you're missing out on all the features, tools, and different things and technology that will drastically scale your revenue more than almost anything else in your business will. Even optimizing your ads is not as powerful as a solid CRM where you can do list segmentation, where you can do lead scoring, where you can actually know where your leads are coming from, know exactly what they're doing, if they're engaged, if they're not engaged, and how to react and follow up with those people based on the actions they're taking. By the way, that's called real marketing. So as I've already gone through, ActiveCampaign is one of the best CRMs in the world that has a ton of usability. It's very user-friendly. It's very simple to go through. It's very quick to learn. And also it is pretty affordable for what they charge. But what really separates ActiveCampaign from every other autoresponder, every other CRM, everything else you're looking at for tools to improve your business, increase your profits, get more leads, keep more leads, more customers, you name it. Other than absolutely everything I've already mentioned, what sets ActiveCampaign apart from all the other competition, whether you're using MailChimp, HubSpot, Keep, you name it, there's three main things. Number one, they are constantly updating and adding new features. So they just added their page builder, they just added their landing page builder, they have live support now as well, live chat with all leads and all potential customers, they have the autoresponder, they have so much more than the majority of their competitors in the space. Number two, their pricing is great, and they're a growing company that just got valued at, I believe, $3 billion. They're growing, they have plenty of funds coming into the business, and they are rapidly expanding their customer base. I believe it has over 150,000 customers, probably more. And number three, the difference that ActiveCampaign can make in profit in your business will drastically outweigh any bad things about it, which is basically none. I've used it for years and years and years. I'm an actual customer and an affiliate for ActiveCampaign. I have found maybe one small issue, and that's that some of their language is a little bit different than other autoresponders and other CRMs. That's it. Otherwise, they have great deliverability. If you're wanting to increase your profits and use an autoresponder or a CRM that actually increases results, increases revenue, increases customer retention, increases lead retention, I could go on and on and on at the metrics that your business will see increase almost immediately by using something like this. Then you should join, invest in, and start using ActiveCampaign immediately. Especially if you are planning to scale your business, like you actually want to grow your business to a 6, 7, 8-figure huge powerhouse, which I'm sure you do if you're watching this. The only way you will be capable of that is by having marketing tools that can scale with you. You get what I'm saying? So please stop flushing your money down the drain if you're using a bad, mediocre, or even an okay or good autoresponder, page builder, you name it, and you're not using something of the same quality as ActiveCampaign. You are wasting your money and throwing thousands to tens of thousands to possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, depending on the size of your business, away every single month. Stop making that mistake. So seriously and honestly, if you're looking for a good CRM, a good autoresponder, a good page builder, a good marketing tool, automation tool for your business, I highly recommend, as an active, loving user of ActiveCampaign, that you invest, get it, become a customer, and use them. Trust me. If you want to join them, take a look, learn more. I have a full review and article and an affiliate link in the description of this video or somewhere around it. Take care and have a great day. I'll see you in another video very soon.